What's up, guys? We're back. We are installing a new Wcfab brake reservoir cap cover, and so I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put on. So you're just getting in a 50mm wrench. One of these would be really nice to have. So you're gonna get this bolt, which mine's leaking. I eventually gotta do it, but so right there, and then right there. So all you do is loosen them up a little bit, and then all you're gonna do is slide it over right here on this side. And then to finish it off, we'll have a new cap. So I'll show you how to do that, because you're gonna take out the stock one. Oh, never mind. Actually, mine comes with it, so never mind. Doesn't say, most time they say you need to switch it out, but this one, the little rubber gasket in the stock one, they say switch it over, but this one already has one. So I went with the anodized clear one. Eventually, I'm gonna have everything powder coated blue like my other stuff is. They have this one in stock, and I was like, oh, well, I guess it matches for now, so I'm just gonna do white for now. But anyways, so we're gonna do that. Take those, loosen them up a little bit, and then slide her over. Hardest part is probably gonna be putting the nuts back on once the cover is back on. So I'll show you how I do it here in a second. All right, so I had a bit of an issue. The nut was grabbing onto the whole bolt, so I'll get a 13mm on this side and to hold it, because it was just spinning. So now I got enough to take it out. So now it might be a pain, because sorry, my son's pushing the headlights. It might be a pain to put back on, hopefully, because when I did screw it back on, the bolt stayed. So I'm hoping it stays that way. Okay. So on that side, it's kind of a little bit easier to get your wrench in there, your 15mm, and then it wrenched up fine. I just had to use the 13mm on this side because it was still moving. Once I got tightened up, it was fine. But after this, I just used extensions and swivels, and it's deep underneath there. And then it still kept spinning, so I just had to put a 15mm on that. But this is the easiest way to do the driver's side. So it's on. Looks clean and nice, except I gotta wipe it down. Now my hands are dirty. Well, yeah, not too bad. Got to clean up all this stuff soon, but maybe closer to spring or summertime. But it looks sweet. It's definitely a lot wider than the other stuff, though. But yeah, cool.